Go! The Macarena. Dustin, you fail. And Macarena.
Oh! That was me.
Hey.
He's scurried away. Right at my
Macarena. For so long.
Clay?
Oh Lord. You guys are boring.
No.
Come here and smell it, really?
It smells like clay. Okay.
I think she smells it.
I laughed it off over there.
Brianna, you don't know what's going on, do you?
Not likely.
Just randomly trotting around the truck.
You guys are so boring. Your face is boring. My face is cool. I'm just kidding. Yeah, that's right. My face is cool if I do this.
What's funny?
Oh, it's the po-po.
I did that pig face.
What the fuck, Brianna? You're so weird.
I don't like police. Oh.
It's spooning time. What the fuck? Just like on Animal Planet. You guys look like you're about to do like a dance off or something.
He was like, I was like, oh yeah. That's just Roxy,
Roxy, come on.
come on.
Come on. Inside.
Poochie pooch.
Mo! Mo, come on! Mo, come here! Come on!
That's so funny. He's all.
Are you gonna post this on Facebook or something?